In the business report, Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that on September 16, 2025, a connected party purchased 2 million SVL shares. JMMB Group Limited has advised of the purchase of 156,615 shares on September 16, 2025, under the company's share buyback program. Iron Rock Insurance Company Limited has advised that a connected party purchased 20,740 Rock shares on September 16, 2025. Honeybun 1982 Limited has advised that during the period August 27, 2025 to September 16, 2025, a director purchased a total of 27,860 Honeybun shares. Lumber Depot Limited has revised its dividend declaration as follows. Lumber has declared a dividend of 8 cents per stock unit payable on October 10, 2025 to stockholders on record as at September 29, 2025. Separate Limited has advised that a meeting of its board of directors has to be held on September 29 and a dividend payment to ordinary shareholders will be considered. Time now for a look at the financial markets with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending September 23, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, Jamaica dollar shares of 8,373,097 units traded, representing 33.94% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited shares had 4,065,609 units traded, representing 16.48% of market sales volume. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 1,247,565 units traded, representing 5.06% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 23, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $37.76 million purchased and US $48.47 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.05 per dollar, selling the US at $160.93 and buying the US at $158.88. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.52 per transaction, with selling at $117.50 and buying at $111.98. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.20 in profits, with selling at $216.91 and buying at $215.71. For the credit report tip of the day, limited resources doesn't mean limited success. If you move with strategy, credit can be the lever that lifts you into wealth, but it only works if you take action. Here's what to do. Build a wall of protection. Separate personal and business credit so your ventures can access capital without draining your household. Then negotiate like a pro. Use your credit score to shop, compare, and lock in the best terms from lenders. Then put credit to work. Direct it into assets that pay you back. Rental property, small businesses, dividend stocks. Free up cash flow. Bundle or consolidate loans to cut costs and redirect savings into investments. Then attack weak spots. Pull your credit report, identify gaps, and put a plan in place to raise your score step by step. Wealth doesn't come from waiting. It comes from leveraging what you already have, making bold moves, and staying consistent. When you are building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery and going beyond resilience, inflation may have pushed asset prices out of reach, and you may feel like you're behind compared to peers who made different choices. But as a professional woman over the age of 45, here's the shift. You still have time and you still have power. Here's how to take action today. Audit your finances. List your assets, debt, income, expenses. Know the exact numbers so you can move with precision. Then create cash flow first. Shift focus into what generates income now. Side ventures, consulting, dividend-paying investments, or rental properties. Redirect your spending into assets. Every dollar you save should have a job, funding investments that bring money back to you. Then build your wealth team. Surround yourself with a financial coach, advisor, and tax strategist who can help you move smarter, not slower. Set immediate, measurable goals. Don't just dream, commit. Decide how much cash flow you'll add in the next 90 days and track it. Your peers' past decisions don't determine your future. What matters is the action you take right now. The comeback starts when you stop comparing and start executing. This is not about catching up. It's about building your financial future on your terms. The best time to start is today. And that wraps up today's business report. See you soon.
In regional news, small farmers in Trinidad and Tobago are set to benefit from a new technology and financial support to help them adapt to climate change. The Ministry of Agriculture, in partnership with the Food and Agriculture Organization, has launched a project aimed at strengthening climate-smart farming practices, while ensuring women, youth, and indigenous farmers are not left behind. Faith Chariot tells us more.